Hi, welcome to my channel, Joe Tello Christmas Tree. I'm gonna show you my bulbs. Got 9 bulbs now. The little ones, I got five of them, little ones. I'm gonna show you guys too in my room. Okay, let's go. Not cute, ain't they? Little ones, babies. I got 5 of them. I'm gonna I'm gonna keep them. Yeah, keep them. Got 5 of them. Yeah. I'm gonna show you them them mom and dad. Hi, hi, Snowball, Brownie, Snowball, Brownie, Snowball, Brownie. Yeah, I named them Snowball and Brownie. Yeah, I don't know them names yet though. They're about too little. They're all females too. She had all 5 cords. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna show you my cupcakes too. Got 2 of them. Yeah, name is name is Cloudy, and yeah, name is Cloudy. Hi, hi, Blue Jay, Cloudy, Blue Jay, Cloudy, Cloudy, Blue Jay, Blue Jay, Blue Jay, Cloudy, 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 Blue Jay. Yeah, name I I name on that too. Yeah, I got 9 of them now. Bugs, 9 of them. I'm gonna keep them, then raise them, and feed them too. Yeah, yeah. It's nice outside though. Yeah, look, Nice outside. I do. Nice out. Yeah. Look, I'm gonna show you outside. Out out the window. Yeah. I live in an apartment. Yeah. Uh, that's what you look at too. In a apartment buildings over there. Yeah. Well, I'm let's see. I'm this is good now, cause um, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and make it 2 thumbs up, and have yourself have yourself uh, I can't read Christmas though. Valentine's Day. Valentine's, yeah. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Well, see you guys.